everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give unbiased review on the website tfbvco.com. So if you are curious to know about this site, just watch this video because this unbiased review will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not, as people from United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of the site. So let's check out the details. It is an e-commerce podium where you can buy multiple products, like they have bags, wallet, hats, jewelry, belts, AC, fans, air purifier, etc. They are not offering any discount on any product right now. Let's check out the specification of the site. It is a HTTPS secured website. Email address, physical address and contact detail have been shared on the website. They have multiple products, but there is no popularity on social media. They are accepting different payment methods. You can return, refund and exchange your product within 30 days of purchase. You can enjoy free shipping over the order of $50. It has to take 74 hours in shipping time. The website secured a security certificate from HTTPS protocol and SSL integration. The advantages of buying products from TFBVCO are: all communication details have been shared on the site. All related policy details are available on the podium, which are new terms and conditions. It accepts payment in different mode. Reviews are available on internet portal. They are offering free shipping by ordering the product over $50 and above. Disadvantages of buying products from TFBVCO are: no social media accounts have been linked with this website. We found negative reviews on internet. It was launched on 12th July 2021. It has a poor trust index, right? It is about 1%. It holds 5.5 out of 100 trust rank. The company's address is misleading the customer, as we could not find it on Google Map. It is not providing any sale or discount. Currently the products on the website looks very unrealistic. The prices of the items are too high. Is TFBVCO legit or a scam? It was recently created on 12th July 2021 with poor, bad score and horrible trust rank. It has 0 Luxor rating. The content on the portal is plagiarized. It offers multiple items like article of clothing, accessories and so on. There is no traffic or publicity on Facebook, Instagram or any other social media pages. TFBVCO is an online platform that holds collection of clothing, accessory, hats, wallet, AC, fans and much more. And we know that the experienced shoppers mindset play a great role for the future buyers. So we go and search for the reviews, but we found negative reviews and the customer says that they are not satisfied with the site. So in our conclusion, we can say that as the website has no traffic, with bad trust rank and horrible trust score, just launched the portal, unfavorable reviews, no social media pages, highly prices products and some other details make the website dubious. So we are not recommending you at all anything to buy from this website. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.